Who discovered gravity? Newton. We all know the story of that apple and how it made all other apples proud. Now, see this picture below. This piece of paper is believed to be by Isaac Newton. It's a visual representation of valuable information. There are tons of examples in the history that shows mind maps were popular among historians and scientists of old times. Let's see how mind maps can be helpful. Do you still remember the visuals of places you saw in your childhood? Even though you don't remember their names, right? This proves that retention through visual is greater than oral. Secondly, mind maps save a lot of time. Studies show that an average mind cannot study productively for 3 hours straight. But as the competition is high and the syllabus is large, you need to learn quick and in bulk. That's where mind maps can benefit you. Suppose you study for 2 hours straight and then you create a mind map of whatever you have learned so far. Now, if you forget a part of that concept, then you don't have to go through it again for 2 hours. Just a quick glance at the mind map would do. Sitting for the whole day and just going through the blocks of information is boring and dull too. So, mind maps breaks that monotony and brings fun and creativity to your learning routine. So finally, mind maps are great. Even to create this video, I first created a mind map. So, you can see the benefits. With mind maps, be smarter, be effective, be creative. Good luck!